Many people think Grok AI can only make short clips or basic talking characters. But the truth is, this tool can create full, detailed videos that stay consistent from start to finish. You can keep the same character, the same art style, and the same look in every single scene. In this guide, I'll show you the exact method I use to create a full 60-second YouTube video using only the free version of the Grok video generator. No paid tools, no extra animation apps, just Grok and a clear step-by-step process. By the end, you'll understand how to turn simple ideas into complete videos. And the best part? Anyone can do this, even without advanced editing skills.
Before we dive into the main setup, I want to give you a quick look at the final video I produced using this method.
Ion, a young man with a backpack, waits alone on the platform. Behind him, a single light flickers. Suddenly, footsteps echo in the distance. Ion turns. A woman, Mira, steps out of the shadows, holding an old metal box. She looks straight at Ion, almost like she's been waiting for him. "Are you the one who called me?" she asks softly. Ion shakes his head. "I didn't call anyone." A cold wind blows across the empty tracks. The station speakers crackle, even though the power seems dead. Mira whispers, "It followed me here."
Pretty impressive, right? Now let's move on to the first step, building the storyline and scene layout with ChatGPT. We'll start by creating a short script, but instead of keeping it plain, we'll instruct ChatGPT to add a small, suspenseful moment every 5 seconds. This simple trick keeps the viewer hooked and stops the narrative from feeling dull or predictable. We'll also keep the story limited to just 2 characters. This makes it much easier to maintain visual consistency later on, since Grok handles character continuity far better when the cast is small and easy to track. Once our mini script is complete, we move forward. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to split the story into individual scene descriptions. This part is crucial. Each scene must transition smoothly into the next. That way, when we generate the video, it will feel like one continuous cinematic sequence, not a bunch of unrelated shots stitched together.
Now that everything is prepared, we can start building our first scene. Go to grok.com. I've also added the link in the video description so you can find it quickly. Next, head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 1. Inside Grok, switch the creation mode from video to image. Paste your scene prompt into the text field and press send. Grok will generate multiple image options for you. Look through them carefully and pick the one that best matches the style and mood of your story. Once you've chosen your preferred image, open it. If you need to adjust the aspect ratio for your final video, you can change it at this stage. For this example, I'm using a vertical, phone-friendly format. After that, click Make Video and wait a few seconds. Your first scene clip is now complete. Here's what it looks like. Next, we'll move on to scene 2. Copy the prompt for the second scene from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, and generate the new set of images. A few moments later, you'll see a fresh batch appear, but pay attention. The main character looks completely different. The appearance in scene 2 doesn't match scene 1, and that breaks the continuity of a longer, story-driven video. For now, we'll still convert this image into a video clip. Open the selected image, choose your aspect ratio, and generate the clip. The output looks clean, but the character is clearly not the same, and that inconsistency becomes a real issue when you're trying to create a smooth, connected sequence.
Now we apply the technique that guarantees the character stays the same in every scene. Start by playing the video for scene 1. Go to the very last frame, pause the video, right-click, and copy that final frame. Next, paste this frame into the Grok Imagine box. As soon as you do, Grok will automatically begin generating a new clip based on that frame. If you don't want it to start on its own, don't worry, we'll change that setting in a moment. The automatically created clip looks smooth, but it still doesn't match the actual storyline of scene 2. To fix it correctly, Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2. Then return to Grok. This time, paste the final frame from scene 1 first, and right underneath it, paste the scene 2 prompt. Click Make Video. After a few seconds, your updated scene 2 video will appear, and this time, the character matches scene 1 perfectly. This is the secret. When the model continues from the previous frame, it naturally keeps the same character design. For scene 3, we follow the exact same steps. Play scene 2 until the last frame and copy it. Before piecing it into Grok, we need to turn off the automatic generation feature. Click your profile icon, open Settings, go to Behavior tab, scroll down and switch off auto generation. Now return to the main page. Paste the final frame from scene 2 into the Imagine box, it'll load instantly. Then copy the scene 3 prompt from ChatGPT and place it right under the image. Press Send. Within moments, scene 3 is complete, and once again, the character looks identical to the previous scenes. This is the secret. When the model continues from the previous frame, it naturally keeps the same character design. Repeat this method for every remaining scene. When everything is done, you can click here to view the full sequence. You'll see the character stays consistent from start to finish. To download any clip, simply open it and press the download button.
Now that all your clips are completed, the next step is to combine them into one full video for YouTube. But before we start editing, we need a voiceover. For this, we're going to use Google AI Studio, which offers a free tool for generating AI narration. Choose the single speaker audio option and pick a voice that fits the mood of your story. Then copy your entire script into the text box. Make sure to remove anything extra, like timestamps or leftover notes, so only the narration text remains. Once everything looks clean, click Generate. After a short moment, your AI voiceover will be ready. Listen to the preview, and if it sounds good, go ahead and download the audio file. Now open CapCut and bring in all your scene clips along with the voiceover file. Place the voiceover on the main timeline. To remove long pauses or background noise, right-click on the audio track and enable noise detection and reduction. CapCut will automatically clean up silent parts and smooth the audio for you. Next, add scene 1 to the timeline. If you're creating a vertical video for TikTok or Reels, you may notice that Grok sometimes outputs footage that doesn't fit the frame perfectly. A quick fix is to scale the clip to 123%. This keeps the characters centered and fills the screen properly. After that, adjust the speed of the clip so it matches the timing of the narration. Do this for every scene. Import the clip, set the scale to 123%, and adjust the speed to the visuals match the voiceover. Once your entire timeline is synced, you can turn on auto captions to increase retention and make the video easier to follow. CapCut will generate subtitles instantly, and you can style them however you like. Apply the clear caption style to make the text stand out more. When everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner if you're on a PC. Give your project a title, choose your preferred resolution, and export again. The final video will save to your device. Now let's take a look at the finished result.
Ayan, a young man with a backpack, waits alone on the platform. Behind him, a single light flickers. Suddenly, footsteps echo in the distance. Ayan turns. A woman, Mira, steps out of the shadows, holding an old metal box. She looks straight at Ayan, almost like she's been waiting for him. "Are you the one who called me?" she asks softly. Ayan shakes his head. "I didn't call anyone." A cold wind blows across the empty tracks. The station speakers crackle, even though the power seems dead. Mira whispers, "It followed me here." Ayan hears a distant metallic dragging sound coming through the tunnel. The sound gets louder. Mira opens the box just a little. A faint, warm light leaks out, like a beating heart. She says, "This is the only thing that can stop it."
If you made it to the end, thank you. Please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to create a complete animated film using only prompts, stay tuned. More tutorials are coming next.